Friends from Pop It, which brings us the most easiest fun things to organize our home with in a pop it sort of way, because there's no real assembly here with this one. You simply just pop it open, and this is awesome because what you're seeing is a set of 2 of these wire sliding and stackable drawers. This is an expiring price of $23.99 or 5 easy payments of $4.80. These are all, okay, goodness. So these are all like hooked into each other here. So what you're seeing here is the duo that's coming home. You have the option to choose which of the colors you want. You know what, gang? It might be easier for us to go to QVC.com and look at the colors. Let's do that right now. This one here is the black. We also have this available in the bronze. And then we also have this in the pewter. 5 easy, and the white. Woo, there's the white. And we have the white here on set. That might be easier to see here what those look like. So if you have picked up the Pop It heavy duty rack in the past, this would be a wonderful complement to that rack because it simply slides onto one of those shelves. But if you did not pick that up, what you're looking at here is a 1.5 inch kind of little arm, if you will, that slides right onto either a shelf or a kitchen island. This would be wonderful on a pantry shelf or perhaps maybe your closet. Actually, I'm going to sort of give this a whirl here. Oh, yes, perfect. So exactly that. So clearly we're not going to put this on this kitchen island, but what you can see here, because this is less than 1.5 inches, I can slide this shelf right onto there. So maybe you've got that sort of closet shelf or those pantry shelves like I was saying. This is a wonderful, easy way for you to have a fun little basket that is going to be able to house so many different things. I mean, I'm just thinking about my own closet and those accessories, but actually we've got a wonderful video here to show you what this looks like on a rack, on a shelf. Maybe it's some linens, maybe it goes into the kids' room with extra toys, but you've got 22 pounds of capacity that you can put in here. That is nice and heavy duty. Because this is that wire construction, it is nice and strong and durable. There are no tools required for this one. It is going to be sent to you just like this, and you can simply pop it on to any of those shelves, especially if you picked up that heavy duty rack that is so popular. So the different color options we have are the black, the white, the pewter, and then on QVC.com, let's take a look at the bronze. You're getting the duo for $23.99 or 5 easy payments of $4.80 from Pop It with item V58813. Oh, love those. Okie dokie. All right, well, we gave you a little sneak peek of